What's up, George? Welcome to the next video.
What's good?
My camera's not as good as your girl's, but okay.
You don't have a dental plan.
Where?
Hold on, motherfucker. Because I don't
need one. You don't need one. Tell him you don't need a dental plan. Anyways, so what we got now, George? What we get? What we doing right now?
Hey, you know what?
No. You gotta say we're ready for once, right? We're pretty much ready.
Yeah, we ready. We definitely ready.
We early.
So we doing some extra stuff.
So we gonna do some extra shit. We're just gonna do some extra shit because we early. So I don't know why I have this on top of my car, but it's about to go on top of my car. And then we got some livery for the side that we're gonna attempt to put on.
It be the haters.
Haters.
It be the haters, bro.
Haters. He forever hating. Why you forever hating, Sean? Hey.
I was hoping y'all would continue.
Is this the right side? No, this ain't. Oh, we got a flip though, right? It goes this way. Flip. Shut up, Rico!
I'm singing Mario.
Holy shit. Yeah.
What?
This bitch is big, so?
You never played Mario?
Go.
Wait, hold on. What we got here?
Man, you fucking got stars, bro. What are you talking about? Nah, you gotta go up.
I'm up. Sean,
Up.
I'm up.
Sean, let it go.
That's too high.
Pull. It's gotta cut, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut it.
I mean, you
You
can.
ain't got no choice but to cut.
We'll cut it and to like the fender, do over the fender, because half of this ain't even being used.
No.
Oh, is this actually?
Where's the stars at? Damn, the stars.
No, the
You
stars
want to get
gonna be
monster
here.
in the middle of the door now?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, but it has to start over here. And
Yeah, but then you ain't gonna get none of that shit because you
Where's
gotta
the
cut it
fucking-
out.
no, we're gonna
Well-
cut it and I'll turn it upwards. So don't have to fucking line up.
Yeah, use some extra stuff. Well, wasn't it turned up in the
Yeah, in the picture.
picture?
Oh yeah, we need to print the picture.
Let me
Yeah.
see the picture.
Yeah, who got the picture?
Where's the picture? You got it. It's just a reference. It's not a time right now to have a smart ass comeback, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just show the picture. That's
how
all
you
you
got
gotta
a
do.
smart ass comeback,
Just show the
then.
picture.
Oh,
Show the picture. I see it in your face. You're gonna
Why
say
you
some
still
smart
here?
shit. Okay, fuck it. Bye, guys. You kind of care. You were just caring about the stars.
Yeah, and I'm gonna cut where the stars at. Look, I'm not even looking and I'm cutting.
I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty much how it goes now.
Alright, so anyways, after people are being special, we're gonna get back to putting on the wrap. Man, y'all see the star? I really like the star. Star's looking good. Yeah, you know. Yeah, stopping Nick head. So we're gonna finish the wrap.
Goes back to zoom in.
CJ showed up. You know, he got that done for us right there. Was ESP Orlando, right?
Yep.
ESP Orlando, y'all need t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need anything. It don't matter. Just ask him. He got you, right?
got you.
He got you.
Don't matter.
Got you. Anything.
Alright, so line that up.
All right, so we got one side done. Nick, get out the way, man. Nick, man, get out the way, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
Anyways,
I'm sorry, YouTube.
we need some more stars right there, but damn, it looks good. It's like, damn. Damn. I don't know what else to say, but damn. Ah! Oh, shit.
Damn.
Oh, damn. Damn. Anyway, so I got my stars. We found some secret stars hidden in the white. Looks really
It
good.
looked like it might be a team car.
We have two teams now, so CJ pulled up and they said they Team B over here. Team B is going well.
CP is behind schedule.
George wrapped around the front.
He said, bruh.
Looks good though.
Over there on the sidelines.
Nah, it looks really good. It looks better on camera too.
Good. Oh, I didn't realize you sent it like that.
George is over here falling asleep, so he's just trying to stick it.
George is just like.
He's just like, stick that motherfucker so I can go home. CJ's like, hold on, George. What you said about Steve, CJ?
He sent me the picture, and I got it 13 feet, okay? I added it up, I carried the one, all that shit.
Steve,
13 feet.
CJ said you don't know how to do math. Steve is a goddamn engineer, okay?
I didn't say
He's an engineer, okay? So, anyways, we got the other side done. The car's looking amazing. But CJ came up short.
Bro, it was.
But I like it. I'm not against it being short. I'm not against it. Just know he don't have one because he quit. George, you a quitter. I don't fuck with you for that. You quit on us.
Bullshit. My man George didn't quit.
So what he did? Okay, he 99.9% quit. He left a star in that bitch. He left a star in that bitch. All right, so George ain't gonna have no vinyl for the first round, but his car looking alright. I guess he gonna be plain Jane, Mary Jane. Hey, we gotta put a hey, you know what? We need some big monster stickers for his ass.
You want to do monster stickers?
You gonna meet me by 95 tomorrow?
I'll meet you. Where are you going? You going north, right?
Yeah. Damn. Anyways, this thing is amazing.
I actually already made the same exact monster door banners.
Yeah, cause Bryce gonna need it too.
For this, I actually already made 4 of them also. So we have these.
See, he was ahead of the game. He's ready.
I got 4 of these.
He's ready. That I can give you. Since his last minute on it.
Damn.
All I gotta do is put them together.
Morning. It's Saturday. We made it to Klutch Kickers. We actually made it early for once. Went to the hotel. We got some sleep. We're here early at Klutch Kickers. That's early everything, which is good. So hope we get we gonna get unloaded and set up, and then we're gonna eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna have our first practice. George, tell them how early we is.
Yo, this is craziness, man. Like, it's still dead out here.
You guys got like 6 hours of sleep last night.
For once.
There's no cars on the track.
No cars on the track. Everybody's still asleep.
You woke up in the town you're supposed to be in
For once.
Woke up going, where am I?
Pits is already loaded. Everybody got here on Friday and set up, and we're here. Obviously, Bryce and them are lagging behind us. They're not here, but they'll be here. We're ready, right, George? We're early. Let them know we're early. We
This
actually.
is so boring.
It's so boring.
Where's the? Nobody's running around asking for stuff.
We're not scrambling around. Look, we're literally ready. Like, we're ready. Bryce ain't ready, obviously, but we're ready. Right, Steve?
We're ready this time.
Yeah, we're ready to start.
Early.
Early. We're just gonna take this view in because we don't know if we're gonna do this again, but it's
Look
good.
at all the magnificence.
This is real good.
And then they're shot.
Yeah. Okay, unfortunately I'll have to end the video right there because I don't want to get into action and have to cut the action, y'all. The video is kind of getting kind of long. I'm running out of time to edit and post for today. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll see y'all tomorrow for all the action, I promise, all the way to the end. All the bullshit that happened at Klutch Kickers, I'll tell you guys and show you guys all of it tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe.